Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on your PlayStation Vita console. First, it is essential that your Vita is already running custom firmware, as this enables the necessary modifications. You will also need to download a specific homebrew plugin, which we will cover shortly. Make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient battery, as this will prevent interruptions during setup. This setup significantly enhances your gameplay experience, offering more control. Once you have custom firmware, you need to download the PS4 Vita plugin files. Locate these on a reputable homebrew website and save them to your computer. Next, connect your PlayStation Vita to your PC using a USB cable and activate USB mode within Vita Shell. Carefully transfer the downloaded plugin files directly into the TIE folder on your Vita's main storage. This crucial step prepares your console for the controller integration. Ensure the file names are exact. After placing the files, you must edit your config.txt file within the same TIE folder. Add the plugins line to this configuration file to ensure it loads upon startup. Once this edit is complete, perform a full reboot of your PlayStation Vita console. This action activates the plugin and makes it ready for use. You can then access its settings menu to fine-tune button assignments or adjust control sensitivity, tailoring it to your preference. Now it's time to pair your controller. Hold down both the share button and the PlayStation button on your DualShock 4 controller. Keep holding them until the light bar begins to flash quickly, indicating pairing mode. On your PlayStation Vita, go to the Bluetooth device settings and start a search for new devices. When your DualShock 4 appears in the list, select it. The light bar will then glow a steady color, confirming a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.